Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the audio or how you can add the music or the sound effects in the Filmora 13. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Filmora and we have to open this. And now we have to put these templates, we have to put these clips into our timeline. So I'm going to drag them here. We have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I'm going to use these all clips here. You can select them one time and then you have to drag this into your timeline. And now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the audio section, and after going to the audio section, we have to choose that which music you want. If you want to search any kind of a specific music, you can also do that. If you want to search the sound effect, you have to go to the sound effects, and now you have to search any kind of sound effect here. So as you can see, these sound effects are provided here. But I'm going to the music section. As you can see, the AI music is also provided here. You have to click on the start and the AI music will be also generated. So we have to go to the music option. And for example, I'm going to use this one here. As you can see now, simply we have to click on this music and the downloading process will be started. So now we have to wait for a few seconds until the music is downloaded. So as you can see, I have put this music here. If you want to minimize this, you can also do that. So as you can see now, simply we have to make it zoom in, and after that we have to click on this one here. We have to delete the remaining part of the music. So simply we have to delete this part. So as you can see now, the music is added. So in this way you can add the music in the Filmora 13. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.